You had joy, huh? Oh my goodness, Pearl. Let go. Okay, Pearl, let go.
No, it's my toy.
Go get it. You don't want to go get it? Go get it. Here we go. Did you get the toy? Oh, that's fun, huh? That's fun, huh? What a good girl. It's your toy? Oh, that's nice. Pearl's a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, Marie is a good girl, too. And then there's Tester. He's a good boy, too. Okay, Pearl. Good girl. You're wagging your tail.